What's up guys? Welcome back to the episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today's topic of this video is going to be how do I achieve a speedy wash and a speedy drying process. Of course, what a better way to show you guys here in sunny California how to dry a vehicle fast and easy. And today, that's going to be talking about our brand new product, which is going to be the Speed Mammoth Ultimate Super Plush Drying Towel. This towel is perfect for any type of vehicle that needs a speedy drying process. Now, as you guys can see, I do have this Tesla behind me, and this Tesla is going to be a great example because it's a mid-sized vehicle, and this towel is a mid-sized towel. It's going to allow me to dry the whole entire surface, and also has a sleek pile, microfiber pile, that's going to allow me to absorb all the water into the towel, and it also holds up to a half a gallon of water. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the wash, then I'll show you guys the fantastic features of our brand new Speed Mammoth. Let's get started. Alright guys, before we get into a streak-free shine using our brand new Speed Mammoth Ultimate Drying Towel, we need to wash the car. As you guys can see, I have this Tesla Model 3 behind me, and this Tesla Model 3 has seen better days. One, it's a daily driven car from one of our coworkers, and two, it is left outside. So what does this car have to start off with? It does have water spots on the side. It does have bird droppings as well. And nonetheless, like I told you guys, it is a daily driven car. So here in California, we have tons of smog, and all that smog, all those harmful elements land on the car, and over time, it just starts deceiving the look of this vehicle. Of course, I did already go ahead and clean up the wheels and tires using Diablo wheel gel, just so I could get that out of the way. If you guys do want to see an in-depth video on how to properly wash a car like your car, check out the links down below. We have multiple videos that'll show you how to wash your car at any given time, whether it's using water or waterless. But today, we're going to be focusing on water and a speedy washing process. So anyways, guys, how do you probably wash a car in the speedy way? This is going to consist of using 2 buckets, 2 dirt traps, your favorite Chemical Guys wash mitt, your Big Mouth Masterpiece foam cannon, and your choice of soap. So today, with a speedy rundown, I'm going to give you guys what soap I'll be using, and today I'll be using Honeydew Snow Foam. Honeydew Snow Foam is one of the very first soaps ever manufactured to be used in a foam cannon. It's going to produce tons of amounts of foam, and then I'm going to be grinding using our Chenille wash mitt. Anyways, guys, let me wash this car, and once I'm finished rinsing it down, I'll show you guys how fast and fun it is to use our brand new Speedy Mammoth Ultimate Super Plush Drying Towel. I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm pretty sure you guys saw how fast and easy it was to do a speedy wash on this Tesla Model 3. But today's topic of this video is how do I achieve a speedy drying process. A lot of people out there in the world have well water, have hard water. They don't have filtered water. And whenever they wash your cars in direct sunlight, what ends up happening is all that calcium buildup from their water is going to land on the paint. It's going to dry up. And once it dries up, it's going to cause water spots. So today I'll be showing you guys one of our newest products, which is going to be the Speed Mammoth Ultimate Super Plush Drying Towel. This Speed Mammoth is not as big. It's something medium size, how I like to explain it. But this pile is phenomenal. As you guys can see, it is a great towel to have for a mid-sized vehicle. Now, for everybody that has a lifted truck, such as a Ford, a Ram, a Chevy, or any other type of car that I might miss, if you guys do have a super large vehicle, this towel still works fantastic if you guys have some type of ceramic coating on it. Now, a lot of people out there in the world have mid-sized vehicles. Here in California, they daily drive cars. So today we'll be using the Speed Mammoth. So as you guys can see, this Speed Mammoth has silk line piping throughout the whole entire towel. That is because we want to feature a scratch-free dry every time you put a microfiber towel on your car. We found here at chemicalguys that having a silk line piping throughout the whole entire edge is not only going to be a scratch-free wash, it's also going to allow you to wick up all the entire water into the microfiber pile. We also went ahead and added one of our coolest features, which is going to be the helpful handy hook. This helpful handy hook, you can go ahead and dry it up once you're done. Simply have a hook on your garage, throughout your house, hook it on there. But anyways, guys, how do you actually dry the surface of the vehicle? So we're gonna use the Speed Mammoth and afterwash. As you guys can see, I have this Tesla Model 3 behind me. This Tesla Model 3 is wet. Now I'll be using afterwash paired up with my Speed Mammoth because I want to shine while I dry. And one of my key features for this towel is this towel is the perfect size for any type of door. As you guys can see, let me just go ahead and spray some afterwash onto this door. And after I spray afterwash onto this door, an afterwash is a drying aid. So what ends up happening is for anyone that does not have filtered water and they have harmful water and they have well water, the water is going to stick, but afterwash is actually going to help you accelerate off the surface of the vehicle. So this towel is the perfect size towel for every door panel. So you could still fold this towel, but in this occasion, if I just grab my microfiber towel and I go ahead and start drying it, it simply dries the whole entire panel fast and easy, and the surface is nonetheless dry and streak free. And it's fairly simple to use. Now, having a large pile microfiber towel on a mid-sized vehicle is not the best, because what ends up happening is if you have a super large pile, you're starting to fold your towel, and next thing you know, you have a pile that's so thick and not consistent throughout the whole entire vehicle. But by using the Speed Mammoth, fold it once, come back to your fender, push, wipe, walk away, and it's dry. And one of my key features for the Speed Mammoth is it actually fits into intricate areas throughout the whole entire car. It's not just fast, it's fun and easy as well. You see this, it's super tight. Get your Speed Mammoth, it contours to the area you are working with, and it's completely dry. And you could use the Speed Mammoth throughout the whole entire car, such as your headlights, your tail lights, your undercarriage, your wheels. Just make sure to use multiple towels. Don't cross contamination. The body of the towel is the body of the towel. And I'll also be showing you guys shortly how fast and easy it is to use our Speed Mammoth on our wheels. But anyways, guys, let me just keep spraying this Tesla Model 3. And let me show you guys how fast and simple it is to dry it. All right, guys, so we just finished drying up the whole entire exterior of this car, and whenever you get into the nitty-gritty parts, that means you need to get into the door jambs, the trunk, and even the front on this Tesla Model 3. Now, what a lot of people forget is how do you actually dry it? Now, it's fairly simple. Use the same exact Speed Mammoth. The Speed Mammoth holds up to a ½ gallon of water inside of it, and you could fold it into fours, and you could start drying all of this gunk that is inside of here. So I just grab my Speed Mammoth, and just start going in linear motions throughout the whole entire door jambs. The door jambs is now clean, as well if we have seals up front under the door. Grab your Speed Mammoth, drag it, dry it, enjoy it, and drive it. That's how fast and simple it is to dry. And anyways guys, now it's time for us to show you how simple it is to use the Speed Mammoth on your wheels. I'll be right back. Let me run back inside, get a secondary towel, because we don't want to cross-contaminate. We want a scratch-free shine, and nonetheless, the best shine. All right guys, so we just finished drying out the whole entire body of the car. Now it's time to move on to the wheels. Like I told you guys, the Speed Mammoth not only works on the body of the car, it also works for other areas around the surface of the vehicle, such as the wheels. And one of my favorite features about this towel is it folds so nicely, and the sleek microfiber towel absorbs tons of water. So I went ahead and just folded it in half and then refolded it down the middle. And now I'm gonna have the perfect microfiber pile just to go to the surface of the wheels and just dry it up. Now, whenever you're using a different type of microfiber towel that is super long, super big, what ends up happening is you're going to start dragging that microfiber towel on the floor. And what ends up happening is you're going to start inserting more scratches, more swirls on the sensitive areas you're working on. Now keep this in mind, these wheels throughout the entire Tesla, they're not cheap. Why not protect them and keep them scratch-free using the ultimate Speed Mammoth? The Speed Mammoth not only is going to add a proper maintenance, proper care, proper touch, sensitive touch onto the wheels, but it dries them, and it also holds up to half a gallon of water. Now let's just do a quick recap of what we did today. We did a speedy process, speedy wash throughout the whole entire car. Then we went ahead and did a speedy drying process using our brand new microfiber towel, which is the Speed Mammoth. And then after that, we showed you other different types of areas you could use it. You could use it around your car, you could use it at home, you could use it in your garage, your bathroom, your man cave, anywhere you want to use it. This towel is perfect for you. Now, if you guys want to pick up this brand new towel today, it's actually live right now on chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage. We do have over 90 detail garage locations across the globe. You can check the link down below so you can add your zip code. You can drive there, enjoy the Chemical Guys products. As always, I'm Henry. Thank you for sharing passion for shine with Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.